Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking fragrant yam rice with chicken. So let's start cooking. We'll be using our La Gourmet multi-cooker to cook our yam rice. First, we need to heat up the pot so that we can fry the shallots. When the pot has heated up, we'll add in some oil. Just about 1 tablespoon of oil will be good enough. 2 shallots sliced thinly like this, put it in. We'll fry this for approximately 10 to 20 seconds before we add in the garlic. This multi-cooker is very useful and it's very convenient to use because there's a lot of dishes that we can do just by using this cooker alone. Now we'll add in the garlic. 4 cloves of garlic chopped, put it in. Fry this for about 10 seconds or so, and then we'll add in the mushroom. Once you start to smell this beautiful fragrance that's coming out from here, you'll add in 6 pieces of dried mushroom which I've rehydrated and sliced them like this. Just pour them in. The reason I'm using this pot is that after frying all the ingredients inside here, I can just add in the rice and cook it inside this beautiful pot. I'll add in also 30 grams of dried shrimp which I've washed and hydrate a little bit. Just soak them in water for approximately 10 minutes, drain them up, and then just pour them inside here. Fry until fragrant. This will take approximately 3 minutes. These 4 basic ingredients are what make this rice very fragrant. So make sure you fry them until it's really fragrant. Smells really good. So this is about done. We'll add in the chicken now. I'm using skinless chicken thigh. I've cut them up into small pieces like what you see over here. This is approximately 240 grams. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, as well as crushed white pepper. Make sure you really mix them up well. You don't really need to marinate the chicken beforehand because I want the chicken to absorb all this beautiful taste from the dried shrimps as well as the mushroom. Okay, when you have mixed them up well enough, you'll add in the yam. I'm adding in 200 grams of yam. The reason why I've cut it so thinly is because these are actually leftover yams and I've already cut them. So if you want it chunkier, of course, by all means cut it into bigger pieces. Put them in. Stir up well. Smells really, really, really good. Now we'll add in our rice. I'll be adding in 2 cups of rice. I'll show you our measuring cup. This is the cup that I used, the one that comes with the rice cooker. Mix up well. Make sure you scrape the bottom because we don't want to burn them. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix them up well. This is going to be so good. Okay, when you have mixed them up well enough, we'll add in the water. Put in the same amount of water as the rice, which is 2 cups of water. Now push everything down. Okay, we want everything to cook evenly. Spread it out. I'll now put the lid on and switch it to rice cooker mode. And I'll see you back in a while when this is done. The rice should be done already. I'll just release the pressure from the pot so that I can easily remove the cover. Be careful when you do this step, don't let the steam scald you. Oh, smells really, really, really fragrant. Can't wait to take a bite out of this. Once the steam is fully released, we will remove the cover. And let's have a look. Wow. Smells really, really good. If you want your rice to be slightly darker in color, like how my wife likes it to be, you can always add in a little bit more of a dark soy sauce. You can decide the quantity of the dark soy sauce depending on how dark you want your rice to be. I'm adding in approximately 1 tablespoon. So we just give this a stir, a light stir, and then we will serve this now. Wow, 很香. The yam rice is done, so let's have a taste. Really, really very fragrant. The shrimp, the mushroom, the chicken, and I tell you, the yam is, in Hokkien we call it sang, which is very soft. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.